name is Alex Castillo-Kesper, and today we are hosting the annual Member Organizing Institute. We are focusing on one of our biggest agendas at NYSUT, which is fixing Tier 6.
Tier 6 is more complicated. You're going to be paying your entire career, and as you make more money, you're going to be paying more. The highest rate will be paying 6%, and you won't be able to retire regardless of how many years of service you have until you're 63.
You're losing people. We're already losing people in the profession. Nothing about Tier 6 encourages anyone to stay working in a public school district.
You get full benefit after working till my
you'd have to work the whole time.
with my walking stick.
I say this as a child of educators and I work for educators. I'm not sure, there's very few people who can be in a classroom for 40 years and have the energy and maintain that. It's work.
If we don't do this, and when we go and let everyone understand the passion in it, that group is lost. The Tier 6 members need to be here so that we can get the momentum.
We're hoping to make it more equitable and give everyone the benefits of Tier 4.
You just summed half an hour of my ranting up.